Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you love birds and want to have more information about parrots or any wild bird? If you love birds and live in North America, then the Zen Birds will be the product for you. Experience the beauty, essence, and character of 30 North American bird species. This bird book is inspired by traditional Asian brushwork and haiku. The artwork and text captures the traits peculiar to each species. This item celebrates the amazing lives of birds. This is a must-have for any bird lover or nature enthusiast. This is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. This item will broaden your knowledge about North American birds and can be enjoyed by old and young people alike. Grab the Zen Birds today at a very affordable price and see to it that you're equipped to know what is needed to know with certain birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.